All right, we've got Sam here.
Sir.
We are trying to insert some hood pins and this nice carbon fiber hood on his car. And this is going to be a task I don't think any of us are truly ready for what's about to happen here. But we decided to put the hood pins about 7 3/4 of an inch in from the headlight and 7 1/2 inches up. That way that they're even on the hood. This also will prevent the hood pins from hitting up here in his nice vents. So we'll see how it goes. This is kind of nerve-wracking, to be honest.
Nothing worse than drilling holes in someone else's shit.
No, it's better than drilling holes in my shit. That's where he wants it. How are we going to mirror that?
How's it look?
Not the same at all.
No?
Less a little bit down.
That one's way lower.
Yeah. 4 1/4, 3 3/4. That's why.
So
Why is it like that? Because I went and stock holes for the car.
are the stock holes in different spaces?
They could be.
Because of the accident?
No, because it's fiberglass. It would have cracked if it was because of that accident. 3 from the outside, 3 from the outside. Yeah, the holes are the same from the back. We're going back. Now, my hole going up
Might be different.
is different, so we need to bring this one up a little bit.
Look at this guy with a chair.
I'm not doing fuck all.
Oh, man. Okay, starting over.
Six in. 6, 7, 8. Yeah, it's there.
You worried?
Not yet.
Okay. All right, as long as you're cool.
Looks good from here.
Yeah, you're offset.
That looks pretty good.
I just took measurements off of it. It's grid.
Okay. I would check the angle. This one looks steeper.
I did.
It's just like when Homer took a pickup to his car with speed holes.
Yeah, we gotta cut out all of that so it doesn't matter.
No, it just looked like it was walking downwards.
I think Sean's even gonna come.
I'm not worried about Sean.
Oh, come on. They're just speed holes. He's already got
Speed.
6 of them in there.
He's
Right?
already got 6 holes. What's 2 more?
There you go. That'll do it. And the carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber speed holes. Extra lightness.
If you add more carbon fiber to a carbon fiber bonnet, then it's just twice as fast.
And it's just air after that. Arts and craft with expensive carbon fiber.
Phoebe.
Fiber.
Phoebe. That's how New Zealanders say it. Like Phoebe.
Fiber.
Phoebe.
It's gone already.
Grinder is Dremel.
Mm-hmm.
Good luck on that tight corner.
Mm-hmm. All right, y'all, it's day 2 on this. We had to stop last night and get this car to a meet. So we popped the carbon fiber hood off and we're gonna go ahead and finish cutting our holes since everything's gonna line up correctly before we put it on the car. We are gonna have to move the hood pins probably a 1/4 inch that are on the car side, but that's not too bad. So here we go. All right, y'all, so we got this in. What we did was cut out the majority of the hole with the angle grinder because we're limited on tools here, and then that got us close, so we went back with our little Dremel and smoothed it out and made it to the shape it had to be to fit the upper part of the hood pin in. And now we have a nice, it's kind of tight, which is what we want. Don't want it to be too loose in there. Spot to put the hood pin in. It matches this one that we did yesterday on this side. So all we got to do is drill 6 holes over there and bolt these hood pins down. And then we got to realign it up there on the car and make sure the pins align correctly, and we'll be done. So we've got both hood pins in here. They went in pretty decently. Now we're going to pop the hood off and swap them back, hopefully for the last time. We'll get the other half of the hood pin in and we'll be done. There you go. Body line, boom. Body line, boom. No grill because you don't need it, boom.
Fuck the grill.
So this turned into a long episode of time lapse and GoPro dying, and we finally got it figured out. Most of it was just us trying to get it to align correctly, which we finally did. You gotta put it down on it, and then it pops, and then it pops, and we just had to get it aligned correctly here. We had to drill a hole in the bottom and then reach around behind to get the bottom nut in. This one, for some reason, was a different height, so it was able to thread on like it's supposed to. But hood pins work. Cuts for gross. We can clean that up. We're just trying to make it fit. But
Just put some stickers over that.
some black spray paint. We'll fix that tomorrow.